Guys, today I'm gonna show you a few things that you can do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications in Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7. So, if you don't receiving the WhatsApp messages, at the start always check your DND mode. Open the top menu, expand the icons, and now check for the Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure that you have this feature deactivated. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and click on the eye. Let's start from notifications, check that you have this feature activated. If not, of course switch it on and go to the in-app settings. Now pay attention that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. The next step, let's open the mobile data and turn on last option. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and choose clear data. Configure it by OK. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check that you're receiving.